Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today I will be showing you guys how to make cream filled donuts. You're gonna start off by grabbing a large bowl and adding some ice. And then you're gonna add a smaller bowl on top. In there you're gonna add 2.5 cups of heavy cream and half a cup of sugar, and you're gonna stir. Once the consistency looks like this, we're gonna get started with getting the strawberries ready. You're just gonna wash and cut them into small pieces. In another bowl, I'm adding 1 cup of milk and a tablespoon of yeast. Then you're gonna mix them together. I also add 1/3 cup of sugar and a pinch of salt. After we let it sit for around 5 minutes, we're gonna add 3 to 4 cups of all-purpose flour, and we're gonna add it in sections. Now we're adding a handful of butter just to soften the consistency. Then I let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the dough has risen, you're going to flatten it out with a rolling pan and then roll it up with your hands again. Once I've rolled it up like this, I cut it into sections. And then I make it a round shape like so. And once your dough is ready, you could fry it on low to medium heat, and your dough should look like this golden brown color. Then I slice the dough in half and add my toppings. Ramadan Mubarak! Thank you for watching. Come back next video. Inshallah. Bye!
بيحلي حياتنا ويفرشها ورود. رمضان ده حياتي